Learning about and specifically analyzing the Hmong community in California, USA. Introduction. The multifaceted cultural mosaic of California is enriched by the vibrant hues of various ethnic communities, one of which is the Hmong community, whose tapestry is woven with threads of resilience, rich traditions, and a poignant history of migration. This article aims to unravel the intriguing socio-cultural and economic dynamics of the Hmong community, significantly focusing on their diasporic journey and contemporary life in California, USA. Section 1. Tracing the threads of migration. Originating from the mountainous regions of China, Laos, Vietnam, and Thailand, the Hmong people, primarily known as hill tribe farmers, found themselves ensnared in the throes of the Vietnam War. The aftermath necessitated a substantial number of Hmong to seek refuge in the United States. California, with its promise of opportunities and inclusivity, became one of the primary destinations for this vibrant community, shaping a unique diasporic story. Section 2. Cultural Kaleidoscope. Preservation and propagation of the Hmong culture, especially in a diasporic context, has been pivotal. Rich in folklore, traditional textile, art, pinetop, music, and ritual practices, the Hmong community has managed to keep its cultural essence alive. Events like the Hmong New Year, celebrated with traditional music, dance, and vibrant displays of traditional attire, have become significant cultural milestones not only for communal gathering, but also for sharing their rich heritage with the broader Californian populace. Section 3. Socioeconomic Dynamics. Analyzing the socioeconomic aspect of the Hmong community in California necessitates acknowledging their initial struggles, resilience, and subsequent progress. Engaging primarily in agricultural practices, many Hmong farmers have navigated through the intricate tapestry of American agribusiness and farmers markets. However, the journey also includes confronting and mitigating challenges related to economic stability, educational attainment, and integration, which significantly impact their socioeconomic mobility and growth. Section 4. Navigating through generational narratives. The Hmong community, especially in the diasporic context of California, presents a fascinating analysis of generational narratives. While the elder generation clings to traditional norms and practices, the younger generation often finds itself at the crossroads of traditional Hmong culture and contemporary American life. This intersectionality produces a rich, albeit sometimes conflicted, cultural narrative that weaves through issues related to identity, belonging, and preservation of traditions. Section 5. Political Advocacy and Community Leadership. The Hmong community's strides in political and social arenas in California cannot be overlooked. Leaders from within the community have emerged, advocating for not only the rights and recognition of the Hmong people, but also engaging in dialogues and policies that impact the larger society. Their participation in local, state, and national politics presents an enriching narrative of political awakening, representation, and advocacy. Section 6. Future Pathways and Possibilities. Envisioning the future of the Hmong community in California involves contemplating on pathways that ensure the sustenance and flourishing of their cultural, social, and economic aspects. Establishing robust educational, entrepreneurial, and social support systems, alongside fostering a continuous cultural dialogue among generations, will be pivotal in shaping their future narrative. Conclusion. The Hmong community in California, with its rich cultural tapestry, history of resilience, and multifaceted socioeconomic narratives, invites explorers, scholars, and readers to delve deeper, learn, and engage in their evolving story. The vibrant colors of their tradition, the melodies of their folk tunes, and the myriad stories of struggles and triumphs amalgamate to script a unique tale that significantly contributes to the diverse societal mosaic of California. Note: a more detailed article would necessitate extensive research, interviews, and community engagements to provide a comprehensive, respectful, and authentic account of the Hmong community's life, challenges, and contributions in California, USA. Thank you for watching.